Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, news headlines in English for 20th October. And first of all, national news. PM Modi on Wednesday laid the foundation stone of a new airbase near Indo-Pak border in Gujarat. UN chief wants India to mobilize G20 to help debt-ridden countries. 5 new Omicron subvariants detected in India in recent weeks. Over 1,400 kg firecrackers seized in Delhi, 5 arrested, police said. United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres on October 19 criticized India over its human rights record during a 3-day visit. 5G tech will take education in India to the next level, PM Modi. Simply stunning, Anand Mahindra on India's digital payments ecosystem. We'll work together, have to fight fascist forces, Mallikarjun Kharge. It's time to teach a lesson to those who abuse Gujarat, PM Modi. India believed in win-win paradigm of international relations, Rajnath Singh. Festive season critical period for COVID surge, Medanta Hospital chairman. Recognized transgender as third gender for bus travel, Delhi High Court. PM Modi wished new Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge a fruitful tenure. And now, some international news. Snakes spotted in US plane, business class passengers panic, a report said. UK PM Liz Truss faced Parliament on Wednesday for the first time since tax U-turns. Anna May Wong will become the first Asian American to feature on US currency, a report said. Russia to evacuate 10,000 people a day from annexed Ukraine region. Less than 5 hours of night sleep linked to risk of chronic disease, a study said. Putin declared martial law in Ukraine regions annexed by Russia. Will not provide weapon systems to Ukraine, Israeli Defense Minister. On October 25, there will be a partial solar eclipse that will be seen in parts of Europe, Western Asia, Northeast Africa, and some parts of India. Oldest map of night sky found hidden in parchment in Egypt monastery. European Union to sanction people, entities over Iranian drones in Ukraine. Now news related to sports. ICC men's ranking, Surya Kumar Yadav retained number 2 spot in batters list ahead of T20 World Cup. Can impact Pakistan's visit to India for the World Cup. PCB respond to Jay Shah's Asia Cup in neutral venue comment. India, Saudi Arabia emerge as final bidders for hosting 2027 AFC Asian Cup. Sajan Bhanwala became first Indian to win medal at Under-23 Worlds, took bronze. AIM Chess Rapid Indian Challengers ends in quarter-finals. Iranian athlete greeted as hero after competing without hijab. And Magnus Carlsen won 2022 tour with one event to spare after reaching AIM Chess Rapid semi-final. European football model unsustainable, said new CEO of Super League promoter. And now, news related to business. Sensex rised nearly 150 points to extend rally for the 4th straight day. Rupee crossed 83 per dollar for the first time, all-time low. High interest rates will help curb inflation, RBI member Ashima Goyal. India's Ultratech Cement Q2 profit reported slump of 42%. Honda Motorcycles India to launch Flexi Fuel motorcycle model in India by 2024 end. India's forex buffer sufficient, risk to sovereign rating limited, Fitch. Eager to secure trade deal with India, UK Home Secretary Suella Braverman. And now news related to science and technology. International Space Station to resume spacewalk 6 months after incident. Patagonia condor repopulation drive faces wind farm threat. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.